Feels a little strange.
So now I haven't ridden the two-stroke much lately. So I just said then it feels a little strange, the two-stroke. So with the 4-stroke 300 that I ride, I can descend really well with it. Because if I know I've been 4th or 5th, then I've got, X amount of engine braking, and the bike just has a feel to it. The two-stroke, I'm not really sure when I open the power in whichever gear to how it will react, and just that's a little bit with the just the amount of time that I've spent on it recently. So now this is the first time we've been up this creek. A little bit of missed turn that first time. Now I like to give people a bit of a gap, so I know that they're not going to balk me as well. It wasn't particularly clean, that little gully. Bit of shrubs here, so it takes their time. Doesn't want to get whipped in the face too much. Now this particular gully is south facing, so I can already see the moss and lichens on the rock there. It's the grey colours on it. So I'm expecting it to be pretty slick. I can see in front that we're already having trouble getting through it. And he just slipped over.
Is there a route on the right there?
Sorry about me yelling. I've got a little lapel mic that I've clipped onto the front of my helmet.
As we go, we carry more water.
Hear me puffing and breathing a bit lately. And I'm just saying there, of course, that as we continue, each bike carries more water on the rocks, so it just makes it a little more slippery. So wheel spin everywhere there. I got wheel spin as I tried to accelerate. Now for those of you
there's more people come through.
Motorbike accident last year in Croatia, so I'm still not very strong from it. Broke myself in half, so getting back probably 70% at the moment. And I'm aging, of course, as this video will go out, coming up to 63 years old.
Teeter-totter rock.
So I thought that I'd just be able to put the front wheel up on that rock, but it sort of rolled forward, broke my momentum. A little bit hard to see the rocks on this grass as well. So I tried to carry the front wheel up to that rock, but I managed to just drop the front wheel just in front of it.
Thank you very much.
Now up here the back wheel gets swept to the right and sort of ruins my momentum a bit. And you can notice the grey on the rocks. That's the moss and the lichens as well. So actually incredibly slippery. None of these rocks got traction as well. Actually you have quite a new 140 width tyre on it with quite a new mousse as well. So there should be plenty of traction.
Line on the left. It's slick, isn't it?
Marty got whipped in the eye. There's a stick there.
You alright, Marty? Something in your eye?
You watch Greg here. The bike's just spinning, he can't go anywhere.
Nicely done. Yeah, there's a slot on the left. Come
So
out,
now
straight up.
I'm calling this creek the 2-hour creek.
Don't be like that. It's just a rock.
It's not very long, but it takes us a long time.
Oh, nicely done. It is slippery, isn't it? Up, off the back.
So I think Marty here just slipped straight over, just standing still.
Glad I got my jacket on.
Now it's numerically quite cold this day. It was about 7 degrees, but still working this creek. I'm sweating like I'm running. Marty actually does it very clean.
Oh, nearly well.
Poor Mal's foot just went from under him straight down. See Adam walking around on the rocks above, very careful with his foot placement. Just seriously, it's just hard to move on
Is
this.
this shit creek 2, 3 or 4?
So we've been calling some of our creeks shit creek because they're quite challenging. Now straight up, nicely done.
Yeah.
Now I could use another quarter of momentum here and speed. You watch it sort of walk sideways.
Can't get to the rear brake. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on.
I'm having trouble with my feet placement. I can't move them to
Thank you
get
very
around
much.
to position the bike better. Watch this, I lift the front wheel up and the bike just slides sideways. Now I use the motor here to try to walk the back of the bike across. Trying to get a little bit of leaf litter from under my boots so that I don't fall over. Front wheel just slides straight across.
Come on, walk over there. No, no. Yeah. Yep. Hey. Thank you very much. Alright, thank you. Yeah. One day I'll be back to my old self.
Bit of old man assist there. So just instant wheel spin then.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Put my foot down, slipped over.
Oops. Just hang on. No, no. I'll Give me one more go. Thank you very much.
Normally you'd be able to just lift the front wheel here and carry the back into it, but I can barely do that. So of course I'm trying to stay low on the RPM so it doesn't spin and walk out from underneath me. There's a little notch in the rock there that I'm trying to get the back wheel into to give me some sort of drive up it. So I get it up a bit here, but then when I try to reposition myself, it rolls back a bit. Just then. Stopped on this little rock on the other side of the road. Sorry about me puffing. So, first time up the 2 Hour Creek. We've still got a fair bit to go. Not sure if I'm trying to recover here or just figure out what to do.